In this lesson, we'll learn about manipulating the worksheet object slightly differently. The first thing we will look at is using if with the worksheet object. In our example, we're using the if command with the worksheet name property in order to iterate through each of the worksheets in turn, depending on the name that they have. The reason we want to look at using the if command with the worksheet object is because learning how to use these two in conjunction provides you the ability to make large-scale changes across your workbooks, depending on your worksheet names. In the example here, we are iterating through all the worksheets and checking whether or not a specific worksheet exists to return a Boolean value. You may also use the if command to exact changes on a different worksheet using the if command based on the condition you place before it. The second type of worksheet manipulation we want to look at is called the worksheet function command. The worksheet function is something you are probably already familiar with, the FX button at the top of the spreadsheet window. It has a large number of built-in functions into it, and using the worksheet function command allows us to utilize these functions in VBA as well. Notice the syntax that we are using when we are calling it. The function that we're looking to use is followed after the dot syntax of worksheet function. Note that wherever you want to call a worksheet function, the function name must appear in the same way.